Email saying storage almost full. Are you not able to receive new emails? Don't worry. Many people don't know this. Today, in this video, I will show you how to free up Gmail storage step by step, safely and quickly. Welcome to TechBelaku. Let's start. First, you need to check what is using your storage. Go to one.google.com/storage. Here you can see how much space is used by Gmail, Google Drive and Google Photos. Most storage is taken by emails with large attachments. In Gmail search bar, type #attachment larger $10 M. This will show emails bigger than 10 MB. Select unwanted emails and delete them. Many people forget this step. Even after deleting emails, they still stay in trash and spam. Open both folders and click Empty Now to permanently remove them. To delete very old emails, type older _ then :1Y. This shows emails older than 1 year. You can delete them in bulk and free a lot of space. Remember, Google storage is shared with Google Photos. High quality photos and videos take huge space. Open Google Photos, delete unwanted items and empty the trash. Also check Google Drive, sort files by size and delete unnecessary large files like older videos or backups. By following these steps, you can free up Gmail storage easily without paying for extra space. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to TechBelaku for more smart PC tech tips.